Hi guys, again this is Jerry Khalid. In this video tutorial, I wanna show you on how to use Microsoft Mail Merge by creating calling card. If you don't know guys on how to make a calling card or on how to layout in Adobe Photoshop, you can use the Microsoft Mail Merge. I am using 2016 version. This one, it will work also in below version. Basically, Microsoft Mail Merge is used for levels, format numbers, format dates, envelopes, invitation, calling card, and etc.
Before we proceed guys, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. Now guys, here we go to our tutorial.
To Microsoft Word, I'm using 2016. Okay, first go here, mailing, and then number 1 mailing, number 2 go to levels, number 3 step, choose what format you like, and then hit OK. Okay, and then go to layout, change a landscape. Okay, and then stretch this one. Okay, now next, and then go to mailings, add existing list. Okay, this is the data file, and hit OK. And then now we will create text. Center, make it behind. Okay, now we will start creating on what we have on the data guys. You can insert it here. Go to mailings. Okay, now here already use existing. Okay, that's file now. Okay, now you can check here name of mailing, name of calling card. Okay, that one is look like now guys. Okay, and then next you can insert field, house icon. Next, phone number. Next, you can use email. And next, you can use web page. Okay, when I hit update levels, okay guys, when I hit update, see this one only guys. When I hit update, all of blank page, all of blank layer, all of blank layer will just fill up by one clicking only. Okay, and you can add here, guys, insert house icon. Okay, make it small. Okay, and then next, just insert phone icon. Okay, next you can insert, you can use PNG, guys. PNG icon, you can search in the Google PNG icon to use the iconic image. You can adjust how it should look like. Okay, you can adjust this one, guys. Okay, insert web page. Web page icon. Okay, that's on everything, guys. When I clicking, remember, guys, okay, this is one in a one layer, only have one background and the details also. Okay, guys, on the details also, this one I will make it you can make it bold. Okay, and you can change Arial black or something. Arial black, you can change this one Arial. Okay, okay, remember, guys, and go to my links, and this one I will choose color, what color you like. Okay, color white. Okay, go back to my links. Change the color. Okay, now, guys, go back my links, and then this one, guys, when you hit update, all blank layers will be filled up on what have detailed on the first layer. Okay, by update one click, it will be fill up all layers. preview. Okay. Update layers and preview. Okay. And then by creating this, we have 200 faces. When you are finalizing, you can insert, you can edit individual document to produce 200 pages, and hit this one, edit individually, and select all. Okay. This is everything, guys.
Learning to use mail merge in Microsoft Word can be a daunting task if you're trying to use Microsoft Help. We'll outline a much more linear process, creating an address file in Excel, merging in Word, and adding intents and finer details. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. Thank you.